Ma'am, please say your full name, ma'am.
Viola Creighton.
Thank you. Ms. Creighton, I'm Magistrate Chantea. Good afternoon, ma'am. You're here on a criminal matter. Case number is 216097301, People State of Michigan versus Viola Creighton. Ma'am, you have an attorney. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, break it on behalf of Ms. Creighton. We would waive the formal reading, stand mute. Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. I'm gonna enter plea of not guilty. Court dates are May 31st, 2023. It is a probable cause conference followed by preliminary examination, June 7th, 2023. Both matters are in front of Judge King. Ms. Creighton,
Yes.
one bond condition, ma'am, is that you're not to have any contact with any witnesses in this case. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Counsel, this allegedly happened in November 2019. Go ahead, Esteban, please.
Well, Judge, this matter is alleged to have happened in about 4 years ago, or at least back in 2019. Ms. Creighton is 23 years of age. She has no prior convictions. You know, I understand that the nature of the allegations are horrific. I do understand that. My client's supposed to start at a job tomorrow at McDonald's. She does receive a bridge card. She has 4 other kids, Judge. She has 4 children that she is actually supposed to be in court tomorrow regarding, Judge. So she is trying to take care of her business as it relates to her other children. You know, it's always upsetting when you know, when a child, you know, passes away or when a child loses their life. But I would point out that, again, the age of this case, she has no prior criminal convictions. She's starting to work, Judge. So I'm asking the court, she lives with her mother, Judge, in the city, so she has strong ties to the community. I am asking the court for a personal bond on her behalf, and that she will make all her court dates. That is my request to the court, Judge. I don't believe we have anybody from the prosecutor's office here, but that would be a request for a personal bond, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Counsel, we'll check to see if she was already previously arraigned. But counsel, you made a statement about other kids.
Correct.
Does she have
does.
custody of other kids?
Judge, I believe she is trying to go to court. She has a court date tomorrow to try and regain custody of her kids. Is that correct, Ms. Creighton? You have to go to court tomorrow? So, Judge, she has court dates. She makes a court date. She doesn't miss a court date. She's not a flight risk. So I'm assuming, Judge, she is going through a plan to reestablish her parental rights. Is that correct, Ms. Creighton? You're going through that. So she has been going through, Judge, some requirement that, you know, would allow her to have possession back of her children. She's going to start working again, getting a job, being employed, and you know, hopefully getting herself on the right track, Judge. That's what we hope. That's what we want to see happen.
Well, counsel, what I am very concerned is, one, we don't have a prosecutor here, as you've indicated. There's lack of a prosecutor for this matter. This is from 2019. No KPS history, no criminal history. Allegedly, your client is charged with involuntary manslaughter, and the basis on that was failing to provide adequate food and substance for looks like one is Mark Twain, one of the minor children. Is the other children still in her custody?
No, Judge. The thing about it is that she is in the process. She has had to go through, it's my understanding, because I know she has court tomorrow. She cannot have the children until she goes through the program, till she fulfills certain requirements, and the court feels, I believe, that she is, fit to care for these children. Is that correct, Ms. Creighton? I just want to be accurate.
Yes.
Okay, counsel, who has custody of Markel, the other
Where's-
twin?
Where's Markel, Ms. Creighton?
They stay with a foster parent, in Ypsilanti.
Okay, so they're in Ypsilanti, Michigan with a foster parent. They're in foster care right now, Judge, and that's why I think it's important. That's one of the reasons I'm asking for a personal bond. So she can go to court tomorrow. She can deal with the court issue. She can start her job. And again, the age of this case is about 4 years old. So,
Counsel Reagan,
yes, Your Honor.
is the other minor, Marquel Montgomery, is he one of the 4 children that she's trying to get custody of?
Markel, is that for Miss Creighton? Is he's one of the 4, correct? That's
Okay.
correct. That is
All right,
correct.
well, thank you, counsel, for your representations. These are very serious charges, okay, in this matter, even though a number of years have passed, counsel.
Mhm.
But in terms of getting the children back, that is with family court or juvenile court. Is that correct, counsel?
That is correct, Judge. I believe it's with the Children's Court with Third Circuit, Judge. So that would be another situation that she would have to deal with as well.
So I will leave those courts to deal with whether or not she's going to get her children back and whatever steps that she needs to do in order either to not only get custody, but to visit them. But I'm looking at this. She's gonna get a $500,000 personal bond. The allegation is that she gave or she didn't give adequate food and sustenance when both the complainants, the decedent, Mark Twain, the minor, and the twin are no longer in her custody at this point in time, but I am going to give her an opportunity of $500,000 personal bond. Miss Creighton, if you violate any of the bond conditions, if, ma'am, you don't go to court, okay, if you commit any other illegal activities, you're going to be looking at a monetary bond. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
This
very much.
concludes the arraignment on Miss Creighton.